months, but we do have the mutual fund data for the month of November, and looks like it's a big fall in equity inflow. So it's coming at around 2,224 crore rupees. That's the inflow this time, which compares with an inflow of 9,253 crore rupees in the month of October. October also did see a fall, but that is because September had a lot of one-offs, a few new NFOs that had also come to the fore, and that's the reason why the October number was lower than the number we saw in September. But looks like even the November number is much lower. It's around 2,224 crore rupees. So we'll have to figure out what really led to this. And the SIP number is something that we'll get to know only on the call. The last quarter or the last month, that number was around 13,040 crore rupees at a multi-month high as well. Apart from that, corporate bond fund inflow has come in higher at 3,466 crore rupees versus 1,500 crore rupees. Liquid fund inflow also has been higher. So it is really equity which is seeing a decline this time around. Debt funds could be maybe see an improvement because of rising interest rates, because that's what managers have been talking about, more flows coming in there. That's something we'll have to watch out for. But yes, looks like this has been a disappointment when it comes to the equities flows, so to say.
You know, Sonal, if you take a look at the last many months, if you knock out the SIP from the net number, the number was negative, which means lump sum money, which was going into equities, discretionary money, which you allocate, you come into some money and you want to put into stocks on a good day, that was going down. SIP, systematic investment, I mean, that was, that's been very, very steady. But what seems to have happened is that, I mean, there seems to be more pressure. So if the SIP number is still around that 13,000 crores, that basically means that the discretionary number is deep in the negative now, right?
So
because
that's
that is the one which is...
So SIP number is the key right now to understand.
SIP is the key. Will give us a better sense of, you know, how to read this. Apart from that, as I think you also mentioned, there are these one-offs in the sense if there is a scheme opening, I think that will reflect.
But even 2,227 crore rupees is much lower, right? In July, it was around 8,880 crore rupees. August was 5,900 crore rupees. Then, of course, that one-off that we saw in September. So it looks like it's at a multi-month low when it comes to equity schemes, the flow.
Sonal, Pavitra is telling us that November, the SIP number is steady. It's still 13,300 crores. This is,
okay.
So this is the, and we should put that up, the SIP flow. Compared to October's 13,040 crores in November, that number, if anything, has increased to 13,307. It's just that the discretionary number is now, I guess, has been negative for many months now, and that continues to be the case. Large cap funds, you know, so if you look at the AMFI sheet, they give you breakup between, you know, all kinds of schemes, funds categories. Large cap funds have seen an outflow of 1,050 crores, etc., etc. I mean, I think that nuance and data will keep coming. We'll keep putting out, but headline is SIPs absolutely steady as a rock, if anything up, but the lump sum discretionary flow, that is fallen even more. We'll get you reactions with the mutual fund CEOs, etc. in a bit.
Maybe that's the reason people are not buying Mercedes, is it? But of course, that's the mutual fund data. We'll get you reactions on that, and we'll